This guy is Fred Ott. He has just taken a pinch of snuff and sneezed. In the 1890s, Fred Ott worked for Thomas Edison, who at the time out in New Jersey was toying around with moving pictures. What's so special about this 5-second film, you might ask? What you're seeing is the oldest surviving motion picture with a copyright. On January the 9th of 1894, another employee of Thomas Edison, this guy, William Dickson, submitted Fred Ott's sneeze to the Library of Congress. Dickson submitted the 45 frames as one still picture, as you can see here. Later, these individual pictures were turned back into a moving one, as we've been experiencing here today.